Gold against US dollar. A price yesterday has created a bullish pin bar, similar like the day before, but we can see that yesterday analysis was mentioned that there is a possibility that the price continues to follow down, reaches again lower price levels, and this is something that has happened. The price has continued to fall down below this price level, which is 2492, and continue to reach 2474 as support level, which is a demand zone, and the price has retraced back up, where the price did not close below the close price of the previous day candle. We can see that here, and created a bullish pin bar. Now the price is trading around this price level, which means between 2492 and 2498. This is a very important support and the resistance level for the price, because the price needs to find its way out. Where the price finds its way out, it will suggest further rise in that value or further rise for further drop in value. So if the price goes below 2492, it will suggest further decline, and also if it goes above 2498, it will suggest further rise in value. So these two bullish pin bars are suggesting also a further rise in value. Usually whenever there is a pin bar formed on the gold against US dollar, it is suggesting where the price will move in the future. So currently I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, but for much more a better decision and also confirmation, I would love to see a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame between these important support and resistance levels which are visible on the lower time frames. So 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame are showing me where is the potential move and when the breakout happens, which will be the start of the move in the direction where the breakout happens. The 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame are shown on the Telegram group. Inside the Telegram group, the traders can receive notification from my side and also the analysis during the day when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout on very critical levels, and also we can see where the price will move in the future. For now, as it looks, this looks like indecision range area where the price is bouncing between this resistance and support, which means the price is trying to find its way out. Currently we can see a selling pressure, but also the buying pressure, which is holding this demand zone here, that it's not allowing the price to decline further down below this support. So this will be a very important formation where the price makes a breakout in this area that will suggest further rise or further decline in value. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.